All right, so here's a quick video. I'm working on the hand, and I screwed up a little bit, and I know what I did wrong. I'm not feeling very good today. I got a flu shot, and it's just messing me up royal today. I can't think straight. I can't sleep. Just a bunch of crap. Anyway, as you can see, so what I'm thinking of doing with this, I'm reprinting a new one right now. So what I'm thinking of doing is using this as a mold, because in the inside of it, you can't see it, but it's really got a really nice inside. Let me see if I can get a flashlight in here. Hold on a minute. Oh, I feel like crap. Here we go. So as you can see on the inside, I could actually use this as a mold to pour the hand out of rubber, which is what I think I might end up doing. The print, it comes out fine. This is where it's screwed up. It actually, it was printing fine, but it was leaving all kinds of little debris pieces inside of it, and then the nozzle got caught on it and then started tearing it, and this actually started lifting itself off the build plate. You don't want that. You'll bend your actuators, and I don't want to do that. I stopped it immediately and took it off the build plate. This took me 2 days to print. It takes about 3 to 3.5 days to print the whole thing, so this would have been done by 10 o'clock tonight. I have to start all over again, but I do know the mistakes that I've made, and that's pretty much what you do. You learn, you make mistakes, and all of that kind of stuff. Anyway, just wanted to throw this on here and show you guys this is pretty much what the print will look like. This will be extended a little bit more out this way, but overall it looks very much like Robbie's hand. I tried to do it at a TPU. The hard part about TPU is it's flexible, yes, but you have to keep it at a constant temperature of 230 degrees. And if it fluctuates any way whatsoever with your temperature, it will clog your nozzle and it just makes a mess. So I decided just to do it out of PLA and use the PLA probably as a mold, and we'll see if that works. If it doesn't, then I'll just have it out of PLA. Anyway, as I said, in the video, and happy printing, and hopefully I'll feel better within the next couple of days. Flu shots always do this to me, and it's just a royal pain in the butt. All right, there you go.